Hello, ninth class student, and good morning. Today I will deal the general equation of motion. In previous class we told and we discussed already the displacement time graph and velocity time graph, and we know that by the help of displacement time graph we get the velocity of a body, and by the help of velocity time graph we get the acceleration of the body. And now we deal today in this class the general equation of motion. My dear student, the four algebraic words are used already there: v, u, small a and t. It will represent final velocity. It will initial velocity. It will acceleration, and t is time. The four letters are used commonly: the final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and time. And general equation of motion: v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2a into s. And very important result here, we have to deal the numerical based on this general equation of motion. But you remember, above these three formula are used only for constant acceleration. If acceleration of the bodies remain constant, then we will use these three general equation of motion. In other words, whole equation here, these three equation holds only for constant acceleration. And again we deal the term here separately. V will represent the final velocity, u represent the initial velocity, and a is the constant acceleration, and t is the time. For example, we solve here one numerical example. A body starts moving with constant acceleration. It covers 200 centimeter distance in first 2 seconds. In next 4 seconds, it covers distance 220 centimeter. Find its velocity at the end of 7 seconds. And so it is very conceptual questions which is related to your NCERT exercise. If you command this numerical, then you will be able to solve the numericals already in your NCERT exercise. And again I repeat here, a body starts moving with constant acceleration. It covers 200 centimeter distance in first 2 seconds. In next 4 seconds, it covers distance 220 centimeter. Find its velocity at the end of 7 seconds. Actually, I think, how can proceed this type of question? You should know about to solve any numericals in physics, and you have to get idea and how can proceed. It is most important for every student. So my dear student, I deal step by step conceptually. Just carry on. And according to question, first of all, we draw the graph as according to question. First of all, if you are going to solve any problem in motion related to your class, then you have to get idea first of all how can draw the figure as according to question. Let us suppose that a body starts moving with constant acceleration. It covers 200 centimeter distance in first 2 seconds, and we draw a line. Let a body and it starts moving. If in the given statement the body starts moving from rest position, then confirm its initial velocity will be 0. But in this statement, there is no information. Hence, let us suppose that something it has initial velocity, and let it is denoted with u, and obviously t will be 0 here because body starts moving, and so time is accounted here from 0 value. As according to question, at 2 seconds the body cover 200 centimeter distance, and in next 4 seconds, that means 2 plus 4, and here time will be denoted 6 seconds. In the next 4 seconds, and we should take the time from its initial point. The body covers distance 220 centimeter distance here, and we can just show as according to question here. Because time is added here, 4 plus 2, and hence distance here 220 centimeter. If you know, then it will wrong, because time is 6 seconds, and so 200 must be added here, and so it will equal to 220 plus 200, and that will be 420 centimeter. Obviously, from here it will equal to 220 centimeter distance, and 220 centimeter, 6 minus 2, that will be 4 seconds, and so just it will coincide as according to given statement. Again I repeat, a body starts moving and with certain amounting initial velocity. It covers 200 centimeter distance at 2 seconds. Now in next 4 seconds it covers 220 centimeter distance. Then we have to solve here at the end of 7 seconds. What would be the velocity of the body? What would be the velocity of the body? It is your question. And we draw already figure, graph as according to given statement. Now you have to get idea how can proceed from here. This graph is related to the given statement. And now we proceed here. Now we proceed. by the help of general equation of motion. You have to get idea here at the time of 2 seconds. Thank you, and just you see in next class. Thank you.